everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making sunshine cake, and this is an easy, fast recipe to make. And I thought, since everyone is going through difficult times right now with this sheltering in place, that this would bring a little sunshine into our lives. So let me show you the ingredients. Okay, I'm going to be putting in a box of Betty Crocker yellow cake mix, and then it calls for 4 eggs, and it also calls for a half a cup of oil, and 1 can of 8-ounce crushed pineapple with the juice. You just put that in there. Mix it up a little bit. Look at my mix. For just a minute and spray my 9 by 13-inch baking pan. And the pan is a little having difficulties. Now I'm going to turn on my hand mixer and beat this till I get it all incorporated. And this is up good. I'm going to give it one more stir with the whisk to make sure. And this is the easiest cake that you can make. And I had these ingredients on hand. And so I thought I'd whip up a little sunshine into everybody's life. Put this over here so you can see it better. This smells good already. It's not even went into the oven. And it cooks at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. This is going in a 350 degree oven. Okay, my sunshine cake just came out of the oven, and when it cools, I'll bring you back and show you how to make the icing. Hi, my cake is cooled off, and so I'm fixing to make my icing. So I'm going to add in half of this Cool Whip. bit of food coloring in this. I think I'm just going to drop that much. Maybe just a tad more. Okay, now then I'm going to be adding the vanilla pudding in. And now I'm going to be adding in my 8 ounces of pineapple with the juice. I think I've got that stirred up good enough. So I'm going to cake over. And put my icing on it. That was a simple icing. We're going to be having this with our casserole tonight that I'm going to be making in a few minutes. It smells good. Pineapple always smells good. I was able to make this cake with the stuff that I had in my pantry. And it's an easy, fast, good little dessert. And budget friendly. That's the way I like to make them. Okay. Now that I got my pineapple cake icing on, so now I'm going to sprinkle a little pineapple over the top. If you wanted to, you could put a little toasted coconut on it too, but I didn't have any coconut. So use what you have. Excuse me, let me get a paper towel. Okay, here's my sunshine cake. I'm going to have it tonight with my casserole I'm going to be making. Okay, I'm going to cut me and Calvin a piece of this cake. It's called sunshine cake. It's called pineapple sunshine cake. And this is what we're having tonight for dessert with our casserole dish. Okay, this is my pineapple sunshine cake, and it looks and smells good, and we're having it tonight with our casserole meal. And so everyone, do what you love and love what you do, and have a great evening. Bye.
I'm going to go ahead and try a bite of your cake
Okay.
so we can see how good that cake tastes before we
Okay.
finish our video. That cake looks real good. Look at that. Mm. Mm. I know why it's called sunshine now. Make you smile. One more bite of cake.
Mm.
That is good, Marie. Mm.
I'm glad you like it.
Mm. I enjoyed it.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here